This is the final video to fix the Notion error that says the image couldn't be loaded. Are you also facing this problem when you open your Notion page and your images just won't load? You keep refreshing, but nothing changes. It's really frustrating, right? Let me tell you why this happens. This problem mostly appears when your internet connection is unstable or when Notion's server blocks image loading due to cache issues. It can also happen if you're using a browser extension, VPN, or an outdated version of Notion. Now, you may have already seen a lot of tutorials on YouTube or Facebook about this problem, but most of them are so complicated and hard to follow. When I faced the same issue, I found a very simple and secret way to fix it easily. Here's what you could try right now. If you're using Notion on a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then refresh the page. If you're using the desktop app, close Notion completely, then press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and delete the Notion folder. After that, restart your PC and reopen Notion. For most people, this easy trick brings back all the images instantly. If it doesn't work for you, don't worry. I have a full step-by-step tutorial where I show every possible fix that worked for me. If you want to make that full video, comment down below and let me know. Stay tuned till the end, because this might be the last time you ever face the image loading problem in Notion.